Hi, Cyber Sisters and Misters. If you want to watch me go from basic to Slade on my natural virgin 4C hair, then stay with me. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Sunkissed Nick. So jumping right into today's video, my hair is clean and conditioned. I wanted my hair smooth, shiny, and stretched for this style. So Frobella was moisturized thoroughly and blow dried with Cantu heat protectant. I breezed through my hair with the blow dryer and the wide tooth comb attachment. I did not go easy on the heat protectant because we aren't trying to try it over here. No breakage from carelessness all 2020 long. I removed the twist and now I'm further detangling my hair gently with the wide tooth comb. I'm taking my time though. There's no rush here. Now I seem to always be rushing, but today I'm moving slow and steady. My current goal is to retain length, not to tear it out. This is a cream moisturizer by Carol's daughter. I'll insert the name later. Right now I don't remember it. I'm using it ever so sparingly because I don't want my hair to revert. That will be a complete waste of my blow dry efforts, and that's the last thing I need. I've done an angle part on the left side of my head. I always start on the left side or in the back. Why? Child, don't start me to line. I don't know. This tutorial is my take on a bum but seemingly effortless hairstyle thanks to Chev B. I thought it was adorable, so I'm giving it a try, but I'm also giving the credit where it's due. All of her styles are bomb every single time. Just as Chev B did, I'm using edge control to outline each part and to mold my hair into place before flat twisting. I've never tried this Liv brand before and I've forgotten the cost. But without me swaying your opinion of the product one way or another, keep watching and you be the judge. Because these brands are trying it with influencers. Now, should Liv step out of pocket? And I'm a small YouTuber. I might not have the tactful response as Linda Lynn gave when the Mael folks came for her. And speaking of Mael, I tried the Mael product line today. Now I know she's on probation with the NHC currently, but I bought these products months ago, and I don't know about the minority-owned beauty supply stores in your neighborhood, but refund is not an option in my neighborhood. So yes, I was willing to at least test the value of my well-spent coins, okay? Let's just say, after using it, the company could stand to humble themselves. And that's all I have to say about that. So moving on. But if you're in the natural community, the natural hair community, excuse me, you already know that edge controls are hit or miss. Folk recommend them, I try them, and the hole is either non-existent or it's temporary. Talking about mega hole. Mega hole for who? When? It can be frustrating. I'm not calling names right now because what I'm not going to do is jeopardize my Christianity. I'm not going to dish you on the internet because my mother taught me better than that. I'm a survivor. And I'm just going to move on and buy another whack ass edge control and keep pushing. My hairline was damaged by an inexperienced braider. Not a little breakage, I'm talking hair follicle gone. So when hair is ripped out and that little white hair bulb comes out with it, it's a wrap. There's no notions, no potions or hair growth oils that will reverse that type of loss because the foundation is gone. So for this style, for fullness, I'm adding braiding hair to this flat twist only. I'm just talking, but I hope everybody knows how to flat twist. After all, this is a tutorial, but I'll probably confuse you more trying to explain. So, yeah, just learning by watching the visual, watching and rewinding if need be. Watch and learn while I finish out the style. Psst, psst. You like what you see? Subscribing is free. Subscribe. I use the second mirror to create a zigzaggish type part in the back. You can also do it straight or slanted. It's your preference. Now I'm brushing it out. I want it completely tangle free for a neat, smoother twist. Continue to outline between each part with edge control. But for a longer lasting style, you can also add gel or pomade within each section. Cyber scissors. Don't forget to tuck the tail of the side twist with the middle one. I could have cut that out and edited it, but we show our mistakes on this channel. Transparency, because we all know it's not all peaches and cream 24/7 with natural hair, relaxed hair, color treated hair. None of that. Everything takes time, and there's going to be some errors, some start overs, some fails. That's just the way it goes. So, ever so often, I'm reaching down to get a dab of moisturizer. I always try to remember to add it to the ends of my hair with every protective style. I'm using the buttercream again, which is the only product that I've ever tried from the Carol's Daughter line. It's lasting forever. Seriously. I think I bought it in, let's see, we're in July now, so I must have bought it in, wow, I think I bought this last May, May 2019. Wow. But it's only lasting because I keep it out of the reach from my guys. I know if they had access to it, it would be over, long gone. Crisscross and tuck the ends. I secured the tail of both twists with bobby pins, making sure that the pins weren't digging into my scalp. Now, the tips of these pins are coated with a little plastic on the tips, so they're pretty comfy when they're placed the right way. It's time to snatch these edges. I want them locked in place. Stay right here until I release you. You got that? Now, I know in actuality, natural hair does her own thing. She's her own boss. She's the boss, okay? I'm just a happy manager. You know, sometimes I want to go in one direction, and she's like, no, Sway, we ain't doing that today. So I might not like it, but I obey. Sometimes she get plenty of side eye, but I still comply. She get plenty of side eye, but I still comply. She get plenty of side eye, but I still comply. She gets plenty of side eye, but I still comply. Yeah. Live, live. Er, ma'am, Miss Edge Control. You couldn't even hold me down for 5 minutes. So disrespectful. This is so unacceptable. I'm having to pull out reinforcements after 2 minutes of laying down this side. Now I'm back to it, re-smoothing, re-grooming, all of that. Oh gosh, I'm so over it. What do you all suggest for edge control? I've tried many of the suggestions before, but it just does not hold my hair. It doesn't. Maybe I'm asking for too much. Maybe. Foam wrapping lotion for Hold by BB, and olive oil sheen spray for Shine by ORS. This turned out to be a cute style. Again, thanks to Chev B for the style inspiration. And here's the final look. Yes, I love this for me. I'd love for you to visit with me again. Subscribe and leave me a comment so we can kiki and vibe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy the rest of your 24 while I continue to do a little of this and a little of that. Until next time, I'm Sunkissed Neck. Thanks for watching. Bye. Click the link above for another classy, sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed Says.